Alright, so today we're going to be testing out the snap mount. Magnetic snap mount. Alright, so let's rewind a couple days to the unboxing. So this is the Snap GoPro mount. I'm going to see what it's all about. Alright, so here we go. We got the mount with all the magnets, a little adhesive pad, the lanyard, which I call the Magic, and then a little instruction card. So we're going to go ahead and see how this works, specifically to mounting kind of on the chest as we ride on both on-road and off-road, and kind of curious to see how it stabilizes. Does it move a lot while you're on a bike, and is this the right mount for a motorcycle enthusiast? Alright, so it looks like the first piece kind of mounts up here. Got it connected here to the GoPro 9. Alright, so from my understanding now, this is a magnetic surface. Can attach to anything metal, so oh, that's strong. Alright, so now we'll see what we can do with attaching this to the lanyard. The lanyard is the big thing to me. It really creates that kind of floating feel where you can adjust it on your chest and get like kind of a cool view. So that's kind of what drew me into this mount, and was kind of curious to see how it would work with a bike and your body moving all around, and maybe give a different perspective on the motorcycle. Alright, so you're going to put this through here, and then circle this back around, and then you have your lanyard set up. Alright, so this is where the magic happens. We got the mount underneath the shirt, got this piece from earlier, and then bam. So really curious on how does this stabilize while you're riding, and does this work? We'll go give it a try. You want to ride? Where do you want to ride?
In the woods.
In the woods?
Yeah.
Alright, have fun.
Have fun.
Alright. think about the snap mount First off, I think it's really cool. I think all the different places you can put this, anything that's metal, you can kind of just pop it on there and be able to talk or get a different angle that maybe you weren't normally able to get. The other thing is it was very easy to set up, very easy to use. You can still get to the screen, you can still get the battery out, so it was well thought out to make sure that it's very easy access and it doesn't get in the way of anything. A lot of great uses for the lanyard as well. I think that's really cool. I mean, it's just a neat look. It just kind of floats there. You can, you know, adjust it up or down and really get it exactly where you want. So being able to be hands-free and be able to have this here and then just be able to talk or work on something and capture the video and capture a unique standpoint. The other part is a really neat view on the bike. The lanyard, being able to adjust it up and down, you can really get that perfect picture of the handlebars and going out of just a different view than what you get if you put a mount on your helmet. Alright, so the negative. I thought on the off-road side it just moved around too much. It was a little hard to watch some of the footage, especially when you go around a turn or you move your body, because the lanyard just, it shifts, it moves, and the stability of the GoPro on the Hyper Smooth just couldn't keep up. The other part is probably riding off-road. It's probably not the safest with a lanyard around your neck. As far as the motorcycle, I think it's a neat concept, and I think it would work there. But the problem I had is on my climb jacket, it was a little bit too thick right down where the zipper is, and I couldn't get it to really get a nice strong hold with the magnet, and I was a little too worried about it falling off. As I kind of jumped up and down testing it before I went on, it kind of would bounce off, so it made me a little nervous to put that on my bike and potentially lose my GoPro. Overall, I think the mount is pretty cool. I like the adjustability. I like the hands-free piece. So not as much of a use for the motorcycle and dirt bike side as I thought, but I definitely see some uses with getting some B-roll and some other cool shots, working on my bike, some different things where I need both of my hands to work. So for the price point, I think, you know, it's fairly cheap, neat mount, a lot of different uses. It just was hoping that it hit more of the uses that I was looking for on the motorcycle side. All right, well, thanks for tuning in and checking out this review. Catch you all next time.